The Daily English Podcast.
Easy listening and speaking practice. Welcome to the Daily English Podcast. This is an easy English podcast for learners who want to improve listening and speaking skills. Hi everyone, I'm Lucy and this is day 4 of our English shadowing practice. Today we'll focus on pronunciation, sentence stress and more natural speaking rhythm. I'm Lucy and with me today is John. He'll be helping you practice shadowing. John, say hi.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. I'm John. I'll be reading the sentences and the short paragraph for you to shadow today. Nice to be here, Lucy.
By the way, a quick reminder before we start, please speak out loud. Repeat as much as you need. Relax. This is easy, friendly practice. Small mistakes are totally okay. They're part of learning. Ready?
Ready? Let's warm up.
Warm-up time. We'll do a short mouth, breath and voice activation so your sounds come out more clearly. First, gentle jaw and lip warm-up. Slowly open your jaw, like a yawn, but gentle, and close. Do that 3 times. Ready? Open and close. Open and close. One more time. Stretch into a soft smile, not forced, then relax the lips. Great!
Now, light tongue movement. Make small circles inside your mouth with the tip of your tongue just touching the inside of your teeth. 1, 2, 3. Then touch the tip of your tongue gently to the ridge behind your top teeth. Up and down a few times. Feels good, right?
Breathing reset. Inhale slowly through the nose for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold for a beat. And exhale long and steady. Again. Inhale, 2, 3. Pause. Exhale. Hum softly as you breathe out. Hum. Okay, that hum warms the voice.
Quick sound warm-up. We'll say some consonant sounds and simple syllables. I'll say each sound, then pause for you to repeat. First, m. Now, n. Now, l. Now, r. Good. Now syllables. Ma, me, mi, mo, moo. La, le, li, lo, loo. Try those a couple more times, gently.
Warming up helps control sounds, stress, and rhythm during shadowing. Don't rush. Make small, exaggerated movements now. It makes it easier later when you speak naturally. Okay, John, shall we move to the target sounds?
Yes. Let's focus on consonant clarity.
Today, our consonant targets are R versus L, V versus B, and final consonants like T, K, and D. I'll explain mouth positions briefly, then John will model words and pairs, and you'll repeat. First, English R. The tongue is pulled back slightly. It doesn't touch the teeth, and the lips are a little rounded. Say it softly with me. Er.
And the lul, the tongue touches the ridge behind the top teeth. A clear contact, and the air flows around the sides. L.
For V, top teeth on the bottom lip and voice turned on. Vibrate your vocal cords. Try it. F. Feel that vibration. For B, both lips come together and release with voice. B. Final consonants. Finish the word. If the word ends with t or k or d, Make sure you say that sound gently but clearly. Don't drop it.
Okay, minimal pairs now. I'll say the pair slowly, then pause for you to repeat each word once or twice. First pair, light, right. Repeat.
Light, right. Exaggerate the difference now. Light, right. Good.
Next, very, berry. Repeat.
Very, berry. Try again, slowly. Very, berry. Nice.
Now, a final consonant pair. Cap, cab. Repeat.
Cap, cab. Notice the final p and b. Your voice vibrates on b, but not on p. Try both.
Another pair. Seat, see. Repeat.
Seat, see. Hold that t at the end of seat. Very good.
One more. Back, bag. Repeat.
Back, bag. Keep practicing these pairs slowly until the mouth remembers.
Lucy, quick tip for learners. Exaggerate now, like Lucy said. When you push the difference in pronunciation, your muscles learn the new positions faster.
Exactly. Okay, let's move in to slow shadowing with short sentences. Here's the pattern we'll use. First, listen to John, then repeat after him, then try to speak along with him. John will read each sentence slowly once for listening, then pause for repetition, then say it again with slightly more natural speed for shadowing.
All right. Sentence 1. Listen only. I really like learning English every day. Now, your turn. Repeat.
Repeat after John. I really like learning English every day. Good. Now I'll say it with John at a little faster pace. Shadow with us. I really like learning English every day. Keep going if you need to.
Sentence 2. Listen. Please speak clearly and a little more slowly. Your turn. Repeat.
Please speak clearly and a little more slowly. Now, shadow with John as he says it again. Please speak clearly and a little more slowly. Nice.
Sentence 3. Listen. She bought a very big black bag. Repeat.
She bought a very big black bag. Shadowing now. She bought a very big black bag. Focus on the final k in black and the g in bag.
Sentence 4. Listen. I can't stop thinking about that trip. Repeat.
I can't stop thinking about that trip. Shadow with us. I can't stop thinking about that trip. Watch the contraction, can't, and the final t in can't and trip.
Sentence 5. Listen. He worked late last night at the bank. Repeat.
He worked late last night at the bank. Shadow now. He worked late last night at the bank. Try to link last and night a little. Last night. Smooth but clear.
2 more sentences. Sentence 6. Listen. I often review new words while I make coffee. Repeat. I often review new words while I make coffee.
I often review new words while I make coffee. Shadow. I often review new words while I make coffee. Keep the rhythm steady.
Sentence 7. Listen. Try to say the final sound and then relax. Repeat.
Try to say the final sound and then relax. Well done. If you missed any sounds, it's okay. Repeat the sentence again slowly. Short reminder, hit the stressed words and keep a smooth rhythm. Even if you make small mistakes, keep going. Okay, John, time for the natural speed paragraph. We'll do 3 passes: listen, chunk shadowing, and full shadow.
Right. I'll read the paragraph at a clear, natural speed for pass 1. Just listen. Here we go. Every morning, I listen to an English podcast on my way to work. I really try to repeat the sentences and copy the speaker's rhythm. Sometimes I record my voice and compare it with the original. It's not perfect, but I can hear small improvements every week. This routine helps me feel more confident when I speak with other people in English. That was pass 1. Listen only.
What did you notice? Notice the rhythm, the stress, and where John pauses. Now, pass 2, chunk shadowing. John will read in short chunks. After each chunk, there's a pause so you can repeat. Repeat tricky parts twice if you need.
Every morning, I listen to an English podcast on my way to work. Repeat.
Every morning, I listen to an English podcast on my way to work. Good. Chunk 2. I really try to repeat the sentences and copy the speaker's rhythm. Repeat.
I really try to repeat the sentences and copy the speaker's rhythm. Repeat.
Chunk 3. Sometimes I record my voice and compare it with the original. Repeat.
Sometimes I record my voice and compare it with the original. One more time.
Chunk 4. It's not perfect, but I can hear small improvements every week. Repeat.
It's not perfect, but I can hear small improvements every week. Nice.
This routine helps me feel more confident when I speak with other people in English. Repeat.
This routine helps me feel more confident when I speak with other people in English. Great. Now, pass 3, full shadow. I'll read the whole paragraph at almost full natural speed. Try to shadow along. Focus on flow and connection, not perfection. Ready? Every morning, I listen to an English podcast on my way to work. I really try to repeat the sentences and copy the speaker's rhythm. Sometimes I record my voice and compare it with the original. It's not perfect, but I can hear small improvements every week. This routine helps me feel more confident when I speak with other people in English. Excellent.
How did that feel? Good? A little challenging? Totally normal. If you caught yourself hesitating, that's fine. The goal is to keep going and build fluency over time. Okay, next is a short fluency drill with rhythm and linking. This is a bit more energetic, but still relaxed. We'll contrast careful speech with connected, natural speech.
Line 1. Careful version. What are you going to do today? Your turn. Repeat.
What are you going to do today? Now, the natural connected version. What are you gonna do today? Repeat the connected version.
Say it again. Slightly faster. What are you gonna do today? Shadow me.
Line 2. Careful. Do you want to get a cup of coffee? Repeat.
Connected version. Do you want to get a cup of coffee? Repeat.
Do you want to get a cup of coffee? Nice.
Line 3. Careful. I have to go to work early. Repeat.
Connected version. I have to go to work early. Repeat.
One more line. Careful. Are you going to finish that report? Repeat.
Connected. Are you going to finish that report? Or more casual, you going to finish that report? Try the casual version. You're going to finish that report?
Remember, let small grammar words become lighter and shorter. Keep the important content words strong and clear. Don't drop meaning, just make function words smaller.
Great. Quick practice. We'll do each connected line once more and then shadow in time. Connected and a little faster. What are you going to do today? Do you want to get a cup of coffee? I have to go to work early. You going to finish that report? Nice. Well done.
Short encouragement. You're doing the right kind of practice. Linking and rhythm come from repeated, relaxed listening and shadowing. Don't force it. Let your mouth learn the connections.
Reflection time. Take a moment. Think, which sentence or sound was hardest today? Which felt easier than before? Keep that in mind. It helps to focus your next practice. John, any quick advice for listeners?
Yes. Record yourself now if you can. Even a phone recording is great. Play it back and compare with the models you heard today. Listen for 1 or 2 things to improve. Not everything at once. Small steps.
Homework suggestions. Repeat this day 4 audio 1 more time in the next 24 hours. Record yourself reading today's paragraph, then listen and compare it with John's version. Choose 2-3 sentences from today and use them in self-talk or in a short conversation. Keep it easy and consistent.
And remember, progress is in the small, steady steps. Even 10 minutes a day adds up.
Thank you for listening today. Remember, learning English takes time, and that's okay.
Every time you practice, you're improving, even if you don't notice it right away. Keep going.
If you enjoyed this podcast, come back again and keep practicing. Easy listening and speaking practice. You're doing great. Keep going. See you in the next episode.